Hi all, welcome to my hobby room. This is my hobby room tour updates. I last did a hobby room tour 6 months ago, so I thought I'd do another one, show you what is completed and what is ongoing. This is my Back to the Future collection. Playmobil at the bottom, pop figures there. That's the tracks and the hood for the Delorean, the third version, and some books. There's a souvenir from the musical went watching in March last year, just before lockdown. Action figures, 3 3/4 inch ones, and here we have the completed Delorean in its case with Doc, Marty and Beth. There we go. It is fully working. There's another NECA figure of Marty and another one. Only one more to go. That's an empty box on the side of it, and then it's complete. Here we have an ongoing build, the Ecto one. That's the interior, obviously. I've got some stickers to apply from Mr. Fusion Designs, and there's the outer body, looking fantastic. Up here we have 3 aircraft from World War II, the Lancaster bomber, Mosquito and the P-51D Mustang. They're all plastic models. The Lancaster bomber was hand painted, the Mosquito was airbrush, and the P-51D Mustang was hand painted. I'm pretty chuffed about all 3. And here we have the current build. This is a Junkers JU52. Just applying the decals. That'll be finished today. Here we have another ongoing build. There's the Spitfire. It is looking absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to get that one finished. There's my Shelby Cobra clock. Ironman, he's ongoing. We've got all 6 packs at the moment, so there's more videos going of him on shortly. And here we have the Shelby Cobra. Another 3 months of that and that'll be finished. And that'll be going downstairs in the lounge in the display cabinet with the Super Snake and the Routemaster, which I shall show you in a second or two. But that is the tour of the room. There's the rest of the Ironman to complete. And here we have the Routemaster, all lit up. It is fully functional. Beautiful model. Somebody definitely should re-release it. Well worth the money. And there's the Super Snake. And that's another beautiful car. Lovely Mustang. Plenty of Mustangs around at the moment. Well, she's gorgeous. And working perfectly. The middle shelf is for the Shelby Cobra. Well, that's that. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.